Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to password protect PDF. And in order for us to do this, we are going to launch my web browser. Here I am going to search for small PDF. Then I'm going to first click on first website that appears here. So once we're here, I'm going to click on tools. Then we're gonna click on protect PDF. Then I'm going to choose a file. Then I'm going to click on open. Then I'm going to wait for it to upload itself here. Then I'm going to set my password. Then I'm going to confirm my password. Then once we are all set, I'm going to click on protect. Then from here, I'm going to click on download. As you see, we also do have some options. When it comes to exporting, you can export it as a compressed PDF or in a Word document, an Excel, PowerPoint, or as an image. But since we want it as a PDF, we're going to click on download, which we had already done. And then from here, we are going to click on this right here. And that's going to show us where our downloaded PDF is. Then we can minimize our Google Chrome. Then as we try to use our PDF, it's going to ask us to enter the password. And that is how you can actually password protect our PDF. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.